Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Long time no see. So because I have been busy lately, but anyway, I come back. Today I'm going to show you how to make the very easy cookies. It's kind of like a Italian cookies. It's called Ricciarelli. The basically use this cookie use the almond milk and mix with the sugar and egg whites. Really so easy to follow up, and important thing is suitable for who has the gluten intolerance. So let's see and have a look. First of all, I'm going to combine the caster sugar and the almond milk. So just use your fingertips, to combine until the almond milk and the sugar combine well. It's a texture like a sandy. So, but before that, I'm going to add the 1 teaspoon of the baking powder into the almond milk. Couple mixes. Yep. And add the sugar into the almond milk. Use finger. And I'm going to add the fresh the citrus and the fresh aromatics. Basically, they use the lemon zest, but today is my lemon tree is out of season, so I'm going to use the lime zest because I have the lime in my fridge. Okay, next I'm going to whisk the egg whites and the whisk egg white until you get the soft peaks, and then after that use a spatula and then to fold the meringue into the almond milk. Spoon and roll the cooking dough into the ball shape, and then coat the cookie in the caster sugar or icing sugar. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Comfy Cozy Kitchen with Jari. See you next time, guys. Bye.